In the heart of Venice, there are locksmiths who craft mechanisms so intricate, they are considered works of art. But the true secret isn't in the grand, obvious levers. It's in the smallest, hidden gears. The ones so quiet, so perfectly placed, that they make the entire impossible lock sigh open with a single, gentle turn. Most people spend their lives pushing against the big, obvious levers of success, hustle, noise, force. But a select few, they know about the hidden gears. The silent skills. These aren't the skills you put on a resume. They are the ones you weave into the fabric of your character. And they provide an advantage so profound, it feels almost unfair. Today, we explore just a few of these 21 silent skills. These are not hacks. They are disciplines. The first, and perhaps most potent, is the skill of strategic silence. In a world that rewards constant commentary, the ability to listen, truly listen, to understand rather than to reply, is a superpower. It allows you to hear the hidden meaning in words, to see the map of a person's mind before you ever choose to speak. You become a collector of truths, while everyone else is busy broadcasting opinions. This leads to the second skill, the art of negative visualization. The Stoics practiced this. It is the habit of mentally rehearsing loss. Of imagining your life without the things you take for granted, your health, your job, your loved ones. This sounds morbid, but it is the ultimate antidote to taking things for granted. It forces a deep, relentless gratitude. It makes you cherish the ordinary day with an extraordinary intensity. While others sleepwalk through their blessings, you are awake to them. That is an unfair advantage. The third gear in this mechanism is the permission to be inefficient. We are obsessed with optimizing every second. But the silent skill is to deliberately wander. To get lost in a bookstore without a goal. To take the long way home. This is where serendipity lives. The unexpected connection, the burst of inspiration, they never come from a scheduled meeting. They come from the unplanned, the inefficient moments you allow yourself. Let's name one more. The practice of energy accounting. You are not a machine of unlimited resources. You are a custodian of your focus, your time, and your emotional spirit. Most people bankrupt themselves on trivialities. They spend their emotional currency on outrage and their mental focus on distraction. The silent skill is to be a ruthless accountant of your energy. To ask of every person, every task, every scroll, is this worth the precious life force I must exchange for it? Protecting your energy isn't selfish. It's strategic. It ensures you have a full reservoir to pour into what truly matters. There are 17 more of these gears we could discuss. The skill of letting a small win be enough. The art of asking better questions. The discipline of controlling your narrative. But perhaps the most important skill of all is knowing that the true unfair advantage is never an external trick. It is always an internal shift. It is the quiet cultivation of character that makes you a different person, a person for whom doors seem to open, not because the world changed, but because you finally learned where to find the key. The question is, which silent gear will you choose to polish first?